In this video, we will introduce how the peanut butter production line works. First, peanuts need to be roasted by the roaster machine. Then the roasted peanuts will be transported to the peanut skin peeling machine inlet by the conveyor belt. The peanut peeling machine will peel and break the peanuts in halves. You can pick the rotten peanuts on the conveyor. There are two conveyors to deliver the material to the peanut butter machine. The machine is made of stainless steel. Only 3 or 4 people are needed to operate the whole production line. The number of peanut butter machines depends on the peanut butter capacity. With excellent grinding efficiency, it's not necessary to grind the peanuts twice. Then pump the peanut butter to the cooling tank for cooling. Next, can the peanut butter with the filling machine. Finally, cover the cans with capping machine. This production is also suitable for system body production and other materials by changing 1 or 2 machines. For more information, please contact the website.